This is my new 2010 Eastern Scythe. I just got it a couple days ago. I really like it. It has a full chromoly frame, full chromoly bars and forks. It has an integrated seat clamp. I like it. I'm going to cut the seat post so it can fit all the way down. Lower the weight a little bit. Everything's sealed. Single wall front rim, double wall back. Not too bad. 25 tooth original Eastern Medusa sprocket. I don't know. I like it. It's pretty light. 23 or 24 pounds. Not too bad. New strangler stem. Eastern. It's pretty good. Curb monkey front tread. It's really cool. I don't know. I've never seen anything like it before, so it's nifty. Eastern burnout back. Not too bad. Pivotal seat. It's cool. Overall, I give this bike a 9.5 out of 10 because it's so smooth and it's such a good bike. Yep. That's it.